Hello and welcome back to MBBS Council. Have you ever faced any difficulty in knowing different states' colleges details? In this video tutorial we are going to see about the college menu. It will help you sort out this problem. So without further delay, let's start the video. The colleges menu is present under the Explore title. When you click it, a list of states are displayed starting from Andaman to West Bengal. For example, I'm going to select Tamil Nadu. When I click it, all the Tamil Nadu medical colleges are displayed. Below you can see there is also a filter to view government colleges alone or private colleges alone. To view any college details, you can simply click on the name. Here I'm selecting Christian Medical College. First, an image of the college is displayed, followed by the university name, the state where the college is located, the district, the year of establishment, the type of the college, total MBBS seats available, address, the number of postgraduate courses they offer, the number of super specialty courses, the tuition fees for MBBS degree, average patients per day visiting their affiliated hospital, total beds, contact and mobile number, and many more. You can see other details on the screen such as bond, stipend details, tuition fees for various courses, etc. Similarly, these details can be known for all the medical colleges, not only for Tamil Nadu, but for all over India. This brings us to end of this video. See you in another tutorial.